Alright, we are now on Unit 3, which is the actual performing of the laundry procedure. So, perform laundry. The guest clothes for laundry are supposed to be sorted and accounted. So, we have baskets where we could put those pants, pair of pants, the blouses, the white, the colored, and all the rest. You have to sort them out and account them properly. And when we do these things, it has to be by room, so that after the washing of that, you have to account again. And then, you have to check on any stain, especially if it is our in-house items like linens. Because for the linens, it should be without any stain. So we do proper treatment first to remove the stain, and of course, that is supposed to be using the proper chemical to remove the stain. For the guests, when you picked up those clothes and you check on the damage like buttons or what, at the same time, you also had to check of any stain. Of course, the stain may have happened already prior to giving it to us for laundry. So you have to take note of that. Otherwise, they might charge us. And even in identifying the stain, you have to see if it is from the hair color or maybe just the lipstick or what. And the most important is you have to know if it is a blood stain, because the blood stain is supposed to be segregated. You place it in a plastic bag, seal, and then there must be a notation with blood stain. And this is supposed to be treated with international caution, meaning you are considering something contagious from that, whether it is just a simple blood from wound or what. And then when we go now to choosing the right method to clean our clothes, again, look into the label. Those that you segregated for dry cleaning, we have a separate chemical to use. And those with the degree of soilage, like the white, which became already almost with colored clothes, segregate that and do the right choice of your chemical. Next is the laundry equipment to use. So, in the laundry department, you will see a lot of equipment where there are different procedures to be done. So, if it is for dry cleaning, it is really separate, and for those, linens are also separated, and the rest of the items. Damage to the clothes during laundering has to be reported. Yes, because sometimes after the laundry, that's the time you will see there is already a tearing of the cloth. So you have to check on that and make a report immediately. If these are in-house items, we make the report, and such item will be segregated for recycling. Sometimes we cut it into smaller parts to be used by other departments. But if it is the guest clothes, we have to notify immediately our guests. Laundered items are checked for any damage after laundry. Yes, we have discussed that already. And then iron the clothes now according to the specification. Look into the label again. If it says no ironing, don't iron it. Just hang it immediately. And even in using the hanger, we have to look into the proper type of hanger, because there are hangers that are supposed to be for delicate clothes. So it's like rounded so that the edge will not take a form on the clothes. But if you use the wrong one, the moment they wear it, oh, you will see it's having a sort of a protruding part of the clothes.